Did you know that David Austin Sr., the creator of the world's most famous roses, was actually a passionate published poet? He spent a lifetime blending his two greatest loves, literature and breeding flowers. In 2018, to honor the 200th birthday of the author of Wuthering Heights, he introduced the Emily Bronte rose for the Bronte Society. It looks like a delicate heirloom, but it secretly holds a brilliant engineering trick that completely changes how you plan your garden borders. If you grow this beauty, you might notice she is fashionably late to the party compared to early spring varieties. But this is a deliberate design masterstroke. She holds back her first flush to start blooming heavily right when your other roses are resting between cycles. She single-handedly bridges that awkward midsummer gap, keeping your borders vibrant and full when everything else is taking a break. And when she arrives, she's a visual masterpiece. Unlike traditional cupped roses, over 100 heavily ruffled petals open completely flat to reveal deep-set golden stamens surrounded by a rich apricot center that slowly bleeds into a ghostly cream white. From a gardener's perspective, her biology is incredible. While many heirloom-style roses easily fall prey to disease, Emily Bronte has exceptional resistance against black spot, carrying tough, thick, highly glossed emerald leaflets all season long. She grows in a perfectly neat, upright 4-foot habit, and because her stems naturally produce clusters of multiple large blooms, she functions as an elite cut flower for indoor vases. Even her perfume changes its identity. It begins as a crisp, fresh tea scent, but as the bloom matures, it morphs into a heavy, classic old rose fragrance with distinct sharp notes of lemon and grapefruit. Because she has such an elegant, upright posture, she is the perfect centerpiece to weave through partner plants. She looks breathtaking paired with the vertical spikes of lavender, nepeta, foxgloves, and pale salvias, or nested among soft ornamental grasses and hardy blue geraniums. With her late-season showstoppers, she completely transforms a landscape. If you planted her today, would you pair her with traditional purple lavender spikes, or the wild natural look of soft ornamental grasses? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more garden secrets, and I'll see you in the next chapter.